Okay, moving to the next question. Question number 95. Which of the following phospholipid is preferentially distributed to the outer leaflet of the plasma membrane? So outer leaflet is, this is a leaflet, so outside mostly the lipid is phosphatidylcholine. This is outside and mostly this is inside. Phosphatidylserine is always toward the inside, so answer will be C. According to Chargaff, the concentration of guanosine is equal to that of concentration of cytosine. So double standard 120 adenine and 120 cytosine. So what will be the total number of nucleotide? Okay, so A is always paired with T and C is always paired with G. A concentration is 120. So 120, if it is 120, then it is should be also 120 because it is a double standard, and 120 is cytosine, so 120 is guanosine, yani 120 into 4, that is 480. Answer will be 480. Moving to the next, which of the following cannot determine the enzyme kinetics constant? These two value. Lineweaver, yeah, it tells about Km and Vmax. We can calculate. Hofstee plot. This also suggests only Dixon sketch card plot does not tell. So answer will be C. Hans-Wolf, this also suggests. Moving to the next question, which of the following statement untrue about the enzyme? Okay, so this increase the rate of reaction. This is true. They affect the reaction equilibrium to make the more product. No, this is wrong answer. So they are asking wrong, untrue. So answer will be B. These are the protein. True. They are sometimes requires cofactor. True. So it is characteristics feature of enzyme is it increases rate of reaction and it does not change equilibrium, chemical equilibrium. So answer B will be wrong option. Moving to the next question, the protein solution contains a 100-fold dilution. Give a absorption of this one, Q at 280, then extinction coefficient, find out the approximate concentration. So it is a Lambert-Beer law, means according to that, absorbance is equal to molar extinction coefficient into concentration into path length. So absorption is 0.4, but it is a diluted 1000-fold. So actual concentration should be 0.4 multiplied to 1000. So it is 400. Actual absorption. Molar extinction coefficient is 44,000. Concentration we have to find out, and path length is always in 1 centimeter. They have given 1 centimeter also. So concentration will be 400 divided by 44. If you are going to calculate, the value will come 0.00901, and if you are going to multiply with the 1000, it will come 9.01. So answer will be this. Okay, moving to the next question, which of the following is the correct operational relationship between pH and pKa? So correct pKa is that particular concentration of pH at which acid and base are exist in 50-50%, or another thing, acid or salt exist in 50-50%. So this is a pH 100% titration. No, it is a pH which 50% of the titratable solution exists in dissociative state. So the answer will be this one, C. Saccharomyces cerevisiae has a maximum specific gravity rate 0.5 of glucose based medium. A growth of chemostat is diluted 0.6. Then the steady state, the concentration of S. cerevisiae in the same medium will. Okay, so growth rate is 0.5. Rate of growth is 0.5 in 1 hour, and dilution factor is 0.6 in 1 hour. What does it means? If you are adding 100 ml of media and there is 100 cells in this one, so 100, suppose if it is 100 cells in this one, so growth rate after 1 hour will be, after 1 hour it will be 100 plus 100 into 0.5, so it will be 100 plus this value will be 50, so 150. Now if you are going to dilute by 0.6 value, 0.6 value, so what will be the value then? Suppose if it is 100 cells and if you are diluting with 0.6 ratio per hour, it means you are diluting 60. So remaining will be how much? 90. Remaining cells will be 90 cells. So starting is 100 and finally it is coming 90. It means value is decreasing. So answer will be, it will decrease. Moving to the next question, equipment French press is used for. French press is always used for high pressure cell lysis. Moving to the next question, which of the following is not a type of impeller for agitation in bioreactor? Agitator is going to mix, it is a mixture, it is used for mixture of medium so that maximum aeration can be achieved. So here helical screw, it is not a impeller, rest all are impeller. Moving to the next question, which of the following antibiotic inhibit peptidyl transferase in bacterial photosynthesis? It is a direct question, answer will be puromycin. Peptidyl transferase, it will not transfer the peptide group from P to A site. Okay, moving to the next question, that is 105. Okay, so this is about microbiology, and again here there are certain dilutions we have to do and the plating is done. So 0.1 ml of bacteria culture is diluted to into 9.9. So how much dilution factor is there? After dilution it will become 10 ml, 9.9 plus 0.1, that is 10 ml, final 10 ml, and 0.1 is initially diluted. So how much dilution factor? That is 100x. Okay, now from this 0.1 ml of this solution is again diluted into 9.9, means again diluted, so it will be 100 times more dilution, yani it means 10 to the power 4 times dilution. Plating 0.1 ml from second dilution into the average 72 colony. So from here second dilution they are plating 0.1 on agar plate, so 0.1 ml. So how much colonies they are getting? 72. So what will be the cell density? Okay, so 0.1 ml have 72, so 1 ml will be 720 colonies, and this is diluted to 10 to the power 4, so we need to multiply 10 to the power 4 here. So how much cells? It will come 7.2. So finally 720 into 10 to the power 4 cells, which comes 7.2 into 10 to the power 6. This will be the answer. So first one. Moving to the next question, the order of glucose, urea, H2O, CO2 and steroid hormone according to their ability to diffuse lipid bilayer. We know that lipid bilayer does not allow ions to pass. It does not allow. It allows only hydrophobic molecule like lipid to pass, or gas can pass. So CO2 definitely can pass. Steroidal hormone second most can pass. Water cannot pass. Urea and glucose. So answer will be first, because they are asking about rate of passing. The order of glucose, urea and steroid according to their ability to diffuse, rate of diffusion. So first CO2 will pass because it is a low molecular weight gas, it can easily pass. Steroid is next. H2O, urea and glucose are the charged molecule, they cannot, polar in molecule, they cannot pass easily, so their rate of diffusion will be